Welcome to king of the city. Give me the crown, yeah, I did it already. Too many baddies, I form a committee. I am the legend like Willie Smitty. They rolling the dice.
Good morning. It's about 10:30 in the a.m. right now. No, I don't wake up at 6 a.m. No, I don't wake up at 4 a.m. and I still make meals. But welcome to a day in my life as an entrepreneur, artist, creative, sports consultant. I know it's been a minute, y'all, but happy 2026. First thing I do when I wake up is I pray to God. And I thank God that I'm alive, I'm healthy, my family's good. I pray for my family, I pray for my loved ones. Because without gratitude of being alive and being here, nothing makes sense for me. And without God, I'm nothing. And then after that, I check my phone quickly just for important messages. Like I got my agent and my business partner here that I got to get back to. But I don't check emails. I don't do any other business related stuff just yet. Today should be fun. Let's get the day started. All right, so then I come over here, y'all. I brush my teeth. I don't take a shower because I took a shower last night. Why would I need to take a shower in the morning? It's a waste of time. Wash my face, and then I get the day started. And yes, I don't got veneers. I got real teeth. What the fuck? The hell? This guy's getting a little squirrely. Akon and Young G said. Obviously, I got a little chihuahua, right? So I gotta feed him. Gotta feed my dog and then take him out, right? So go ahead and eat. Go ahead and eat. He's scared of my cameraman because he's black. One of my great friends, Mar Hits, go ahead and hit him on the IG. Bro, he's legit scared of Marlon. Kobe, eat. Damn, bro, I got work to do. Eat. But anyway, as he's eating, I don't think I showed you this new chain I got from, here, let's put it over here, guys. From Peter Marco, a custom SNEWJ pendant, and then my Cuban chain. Let me put it on for y'all. A really cool piece. Shout out to my boy Peter Marco, you know who he is, Beverly Hills. I did a video with Peter, but this is a cool piece. The pendant itself was like 55K. The Cuban was like 50K, so. Damn, my shirt is linty, y'all. You fix that, bro. And I know some people are like, why do you buy jewelry? Like, you're just reckless, SNEWJ. No, this is actually white gold and diamond, as Peter Marco says. So as gold appreciates, this appreciates. Bitch. The next thing I gotta do, since I got responsibilities and shit, I gotta take my dog to go take a shit and a piss. Come here. He's legit scared of you, Marlon, huh? The crazy thing is, it's not because Marlon is black. He actually knows who Marlon is. Like, he's known Marlon for years and he's still scared. Like, this is literally what I get to see every day. Every day. I walk for about a mile or so, and then this is when I get back to people and I start checking my plays. So I simultaneously, if I said that word correctly, am working, checking the plays I posted last night, checking my sports community, getting back to people as I'm just walking the dog. If you're out here, bro, you smell this air out here in Newport, Corona Del Mar, the air is just, it makes you want to slap your mom, bro, in a good way, you know? Are you gonna take a shit or what? Look at these view ropes. Just look around, bro, look around, look alive. It's around 11 a.m. right now, so about 11:20, I'm out and go back to the crib, and then we got to hit the gym. You know what's funny? The other day, me and Marlon, as you know, Marlon's black. I'm not, but people think I'm black. We were just walking around, and a black guy pulled up with a golf cart with his homie, and he stopped. He said, "Skirt!" He stopped. He saw us, and he was like, "It's nice to see some brothers around here." And I was like, oh shoot. Like, and then Marlon was like, yeah. He's like, where do you guys live? We're like, oh, we live right here. He was like, okay, I'm gonna catch y'all later. That scene was like a beginning of a horror movie, y'all. Like Get Out Part 2. It's nice to see some brothers around here.
Bro, I tell my mom the story. I'm like, Mom, me and SNEWJ just sitting there walking on the beach. Black dude pulls up, bro, goes, what a delight. I was like, does everybody think he's black? My mom thought he was black. Bro, you're not black.
And this guy, I gotta wipe his paws because you can't wear shoes in the crib because I am part Filipino, Asian, and you know us Asians. We like a clean floor. It's 11:30 a.m., right? And real quick, I checked some shit on my laptop, just like all business related. Check my community, check my sports community, check my plays, because I'm a sharp. Is it weird that I like to go to the gym wearing a watch? Here's a cool little piece for y'all. for you watch people out there. Little Rashad Millie. Can you see it, focus? But yeah, I like to hoop in this too. Today, I'm not hitting any muscle groups. I'm not hitting any weights. I'm just gonna hoop a little bit with my boy Marlon. I like to get my 10K steps in every single day. Let's take the STO today. The M3 is kind of dirty though. I don't really give you guys updates on my whips, man. Like, I gotta show you the mods, but let's take the STO today.
Not the light, bro.
Get in, bitch, we're going shopping. Ooh, give me my money. Okay. One thing about Newport Beach, I love it and all, but there are, with all due respect, there are a lot of old people here, and I feel like I'm the youngest cat here. So everybody drives 25 and below in a 45. And sometimes there's traffic, and I'm like, the fuck? Good, man, that's all I love. Hey, what's up? Old man Jenkins right there. What's up, old man Jenkins?
I'm on the go. I cannot stay on your path. Got my own road. I got too much on my mind. People I trusted are empty inside. They haven't objected. I stay on my side.
If y'all didn't know, I lowered it. I put an exhaust on it, a Rift exhaust. You're good, bro. You can go. I don't care. Yeah. I put a Rift exhaust on it. I lowered the car, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Check out the front. Check out the front. I feel like anybody that has like any type of supercar, you gotta stance it out. Look at the wheel gap ratio. All right, let's go. I like going to this gym because there's a lot of shit in here. They got a basketball court. They got a lot of equipment. They got a smoothie bar. They got a massage parlor, a salon. They got Botox. You pay $350 a month. And a lot of y'all might be like, yeah, that's a lot, but there's a lot of high net worth individuals here. It's good to network. It's good to make friends, good to make connections. On top of that, it's clean. You know, a lot of commercial gyms, they don't put the weights back. It's dirty. And it's like when I go to a 24-hour now, people don't put weights back. It's not clean. Like, I don't know why that is. And I love 24-hour fitness. Gang, I'm with the gang. Tell me why my dog got on jeans, bro. He's trying to hoop in some jeans? That is crazy. Hell no, bro. I always wanted to play in the NBA, but I couldn't. So now I just bet on it and help people make money doing it. SGA. There. One thing cool about this Lifetime, bro, is they have this cool little lobby, cool little lounge area. They got like smoothies. They got food. People can do their work here, network, meet with other multimillionaires and shit. They even got like a life spa. Look at that, with the salon. Look at that. So usually, guys, I fast all day until about 6 p.m. It's 5 p.m., but that's my first meal today right here, guys. I got a glizzy because I'm craving a glizzy salmon bowl. Looks kind of mid, but you know, that's that sweet green. It's all right. It's not too bad. You always want to break the fast with a healthy fat, like with the with the avocado. We are back at the crib. Games are going live already. D-Pat just hit me up. He wants me to go to the Laker game. I think we got to do that. It's a great way to scout players. You know, they're playing against the Memphis Grizzlies today. John Morant. But no, I like going to the games. I like sitting courtside because you get to really see how the players play. And do have a bet on this game for my members and myself. So let's go. Come on, let's get ready. I can't bring the professional camera with me, so I'm gonna record it with my phone, get some footage. See if I could get like a little video for y'all. All right, time to go see this Laker game. Here's a cool little hallway you walk through when you sit courtside. Yes, sir. And then I'm walking to my seat, and I got some really good seats, y'all. I'm right here sitting baseline. Heard the Lakers coming out for warm-ups. Jackson Hayes, Luka. That was a crazy shot off the shot clock, bro. Then there's LeBron toe right here, warming up. Now here's the live action of the fourth quarter. We find out West. We find out West. If the Lakers win this game,
Lock his ass up, Smart.
me and my members make a bag. Get the rebound. There you go. Lakers down by 1. 5 minutes left. We gotta lock the fuck in. All right, let's go.
I'm excited to see you on the replay.
Get the lead. Up by 1. There you go. Lakers up by 1. I'm about to get copyrighted. Fuck it. Lock him up.
Lock up.
Lock him up. There you go. Oh, that's money. Oh, what the fuck was that?
The board.
Oh, hell no.
Not a foul.
Money.
Bucket.
Oh,
Fuck.
that's a jump ball. Let's go. Lakers up by 1.
Let's go, Lou. Let's go, Lou.
Oh, that's easy.
Let's go, Lou.
There you go.
Easy,
That's money.
That's easy.
That's not our ball, goddammit.
Let's go, Lou.
Oh, that's money. 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 Let's go. All right, Lakers up by 4. 3 minutes left. Luka Doncic.
Let's go, Lou. Let's go, Lou.
Hey, Ja. I'm flying out west, Ja.
We flying out west, huh?
I'm flying out west, Ja.
We flying out west.
We find out west. We find out west, Ja. Money! We find out west! We find out west! Up by 7. Let's go. 2 minutes. Close it out. A basket here. It's over. LeBronto! LeBronto! 3-1 for today. LeBron.
Let's go.
It's our ball, goddammit. Luka Doncic, bro. I just touched Luka's arm.
Go, Lou.
I felt the sweat on my hand. And the game is over, y'all.
Baby. Let's go again. That's
Cash the Lakers money line.
going out west.
Ja! Ja! We're back at the crib. Kobe. Shake. Pa. There you go. That's a good boy. Lay down. Lakers won. We finished the day 3 out of 4 today. We did an OKC spread, OKC money line, Lakers money line, Magic money line did not cash for us, unfortunately. It's about 11 o'clock at night. This is where I do a lot of research. I get on the computer for the games tomorrow. This is where I kind of like have my me time. Usually it'll be a little earlier, but I was at the game. But my me time as in work. So this is where I work, researching and analyzing which plays, what are my top plays for the next day, which is tomorrow. This could start like around 6 p.m. to like 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. because it's like, you know, back and forth watching the game, seeing who wins, posting content, following plays, following lines, seeing if lines are adjusting, if they drop plays earlier. So the thing is, when I research these games, y'all, you're not picking teams that you'll think that will win. It's not that black and white. You have to find the best price for whatever game, team, player you're betting on. It's not necessarily like, oh, I'm gonna hedge and do a plus 170 on the Charlotte Hornets winning against the Raptors. That's just blind luck. You're just rolling the dice. I like to say this, guys. I don't believe in like the new year. Oh, look at me. Time is an illusion. It's just one long duration of life. What are you doing now, right? What are you doing now to be better, to get better? That's all it is. You wanted to be in better shape? You should have started last year. You want to make more money? You should have started last year. As long as you started and you're not waiting till the new year, January 1st. So continue to be grateful for your life. Doesn't matter where you're at. Be appreciative of all the small things, because life is not guaranteed. I know it's cliche, but life is not guaranteed, y'all. Enjoy the people around you. Love the people around you, your family, your friends. You just don't know when it'll be the last time you see them. All this money shit, jewelry, right? Superficial stuff, it doesn't matter. Material stuff, it doesn't matter. It's the people around us. So hold the ones that you love close. Keep trying to be better yourself, improving, evolving. You're doing a disservice if you don't have a mission, you don't have a purpose, and it could be anything. It doesn't mean you have to go to like fucking Mars. Like just have a mission, have a purpose, have meaning in your life. Don't just exist. You want to live a life that is fulfilling, and just being happy is just unrealistic. That's just, you're not going to be fucking happy. Life has ups and downs, and there's going to be challenges in our lives. You might lose a loved one, you might lose a job, something crazy might happen, and it will happen. You just have to be prepared to be like, okay, like this is what it is. What am I going to do about it? What am I going to learn? And what am I going to take from it? With that being said, let me get back to work. I don't want to bore you with this shit. I got a couple hours with this. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Dubs all day.
Prada on nada, Las Vegas divider, $100 bomb trio enchiladas. I could have 2 Lambos here by tomorrow. Always in Corsa, don't need it on Strata. Prada on nada, my vision's clear water. I'm glad that it's nada, my new girl's hotter. No, I deserved this, back then it was darker. Pushing 3 places.